So I'm gonna show you some physics things with this game called World Tanks. So at first, I'm going to show you displacement. So I'm gonna start at this square right here. Okay, that's my start point. Now I am going to drive away from my starting point and end up in the second square, so I have been displaced one cube. Now if I drive back to that same box, my displacement will equal 0. Alright, that's displacement. Now for distance. Right, yes. Now distance. Just gonna speed this up a little bit. Alright. He is going to act as 0. He is going to act as 0 for me. So I'm going to go a distance away from him. Turn around. And if you look at him, I don't know if you can see it clearly, but it says 148 meters. So I have traveled 148 meters away. That's distance. Now for speed and acceleration. We are going to use this bridge as our acceleration. That slope. So we start off, we begin to accelerate. And then the slope is going to make us accelerate faster. Until we hit a constant speed of 54 kilometers an hour. And we're going to drive like that for a while. Alright, that was speed and acceleration. For velocity, we will be heading west, north, east, south, west at the same kilometer. We just were going east at 54 kilometers an hour, but now we'll show you west. Speed and velocity are the same thing. Velocity just is a speed at a specific direction. Anytime. So we're accelerating to our max speed, but really we're just showing velocity going west. That's about it. I will end off the video in a funny way though. Time for some gravity. I am victorious. So yes, I was just showing you how, I was just showing you displacement. If you start at a starting point and you go a certain distance and go back, that's 0 displacement. Or if you start at that starting point and go a distance, but don't go back to the starting point, you're displaced by however many. Then we showed distance, how far away I was from that blue tank, the AMX. We showed velocity going at a constant speed of 50 kilometers an hour east and west, and then we showed speed in general, and then we showed acceleration going down that bridge. That's all.